Welcome back, everyone. I've got Mark Allenbach with me here still. If you've been watching the video series on PKS, by the time we're done, there'll be an hour or two of recordings, and obviously Mark's been kind enough to share his time to create these recordings, but obviously there's more to know about PKS. Mark, if a viewer is interested in knowing more about PKS and doesn't want to have to learn everything all on their own and instead wants to be guided by an expert such as you, where do they turn? Where can they go?
Alrighty, so if you go to the VMware website and just at the end of the .com typed in the word education, so vmware.com/education, that will take you to the educational subsection of the VMware website, which I've just done here. And if you come down to the search box and just typed in PKS, depending on when you do this, today on when we did this recording, the new version of the PKS install configure manage class has not been posted yet. You could expect it around November 1st. The class is done. I've gone over it. We've gone through all the labs and all the lecture material. The class is being produced, and it will be out starting November 15th is the first time the class will be getting scheduled. And if you do that search for the PKS, you'll find the PKS 1.5 class will be out after November 1st. And I believe we have the first class scheduled November 18th, and it will be online. I wanted to point out to you by just doing the learn more here on the class and looking at the data sheet or what the objectives are, there is some prereqs that you do want to be aware of. You should have some vSphere experience, so the equivalent of an install, configure, manage, or working experience that corresponds to that. And then you should have some NSXT experience. That would really fully allow you to get the most amount of benefit out of the class. And the new class is going to be 5 days. So it's available both online and on-site, and we have classes scheduled in the various physical locations as well.
Okay, great. Thanks, Mark. So again, just quick recap here. The version 1.2 of the course, which you saw here in this video, is soon to be replaced by the version 1.5, and as always, we VMware continuously update our courses. If there are new versions of the course, which you should expect in the future, I will put a link to the newest, latest, greatest version of the course down in the YouTube description. So if you have any questions about the course, feel free to drop a question in the YouTube comments, but otherwise, there you have it. That's where Mark would send you to learn more about PKS.